Stop wasting time searching for your favorite shows. If the Hulu app is missing from your smart TV, I'm going to show you how to fix it in minutes. Step 1 is the cold boot. Most people just turn their TV off, but that only puts it in standby. You need to clear the system memory. Unplug your TV from the wall for exactly 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 15 seconds to drain residual power. Step 2. Clear your storage. Your TV's app store might hide heavy apps like Hulu if it detects low memory, even if you think you have space. Navigate to Settings, then Support and Device Care. Delete at least 3 unused apps. This often triggers the App Store to refresh its index and reveal missing apps. Next, check your region and firmware. Hulu is geo-restricted, so your TV must be set to the United States for the app to appear. Verify your service location is set to the US. Then, run a software update. Outdated firmware often lacks the security protocols required for the latest Hulu+Live TV app. If it's still missing, check Disney+. Many Hulu features are being integrated directly into the Disney+ app. Look for the Hulu tile right there on the home screen. If technical steps fail, your TV's hardware might be legacy. The most reliable long-term fix is using an external streaming device like a Roku or Fire Stick. These devices update their app stores much more frequently than TV manufacturers and offer a smoother experience for resource-heavy live TV apps. Remember to use official terminology and stick to these verified steps. For further assistance, contact official support at 833-389-2054. Always avoid third-party recovery tools or unofficial apps. They are security risks. These steps apply to your own account and your own device only. Follow these steps to get back to your favorite shows. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials that respect your time.